Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Hulu, access streaming library step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser on a computer, or unlock your phone or tablet to begin. If you are using a smart TV, streaming stick, or game console, make sure it is connected to the internet. Go to hulu.com if you are on a browser, or open the Hulu app if you are on a device. On the Hulu website, click the Login button at the top right of the page. In the Hulu app, select Login on the welcome screen. Choose the option that matches your setup, such as logging in with email and password. Enter the email address that is linked to your Hulu account. Type your Hulu password carefully, paying attention to uppercase and lowercase letters. Click or select Login to continue. If you see a verification or security prompt, follow the on-screen instructions to confirm it is you. If you forgot your password, select Forgot your email or password and reset it using your email inbox. After logging in, wait a moment for Hulu to load your profile selection screen if it appears. Select your profile to enter the Hulu home screen. To access your saved items, look for My Stuff on the menu or navigation bar. Open My Stuff to see your watch list, saved series, and saved movies. To continue watching something you started, go to Continue Watching on the home screen. Select the title you want, then press play to start streaming. If you are asked to choose a plan or add-on, confirm your subscription details before continuing. If you get an error message, double-check your internet connection and try again. On mobile, you can also switch between Wi-Fi and cellular data to test the connection. If the app is not working properly, close it completely and reopen it. If the issue continues, update the Hulu app from the App Store or Google Play Store. On a browser, try refreshing the page or using a different browser like Chrome, Edge, or Safari. If your device was previously signed into another account, log out first and then log in with the correct email. To log out, open Account or Settings and select Log Out. If you use a TV provider or bundle, select the appropriate login option and follow the provider sign-in steps. Once you are logged in, use search to find shows, movies, and live content quickly. Adjust playback and subtitles from the player settings to match your preferences. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.